Pink Angels and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Videos ago I did a hairstyling video and I promised to show you how I curl my hair in a future video, and that is what I'm doing today. So I've kept my promise, as this is such a highly requested video. I always get questions asking how I curl my hair and how I get my curls to stay, so I thought I would show you because I have gotten this down to a fine art. I have managed to make my hair curly and it will stay like this for like days basically until I wash it again. Before, when I used to curl my hair, I would simply curl it before I went out, and then by the end of the night my hair is so heavy the curls would have dropped and it would just be flat and straight again. And now I have managed to get the perfect technique and get my hair staying like this for days. So I really hope you enjoy this video, and if you recreate this then do let me know because I'd love to see your creations. And yeah, so if you want to see how I get my princessy Victoria's Secret kind of curls, then please do keep on watching. If you haven't already, please do subscribe to my channel and become one of my pink angels. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. I am Amy and I post lots and lots of pretty pink content every single week, every Saturday at 7 p.m, and there's always lots of pink fashion, beauty, lifestyle content on here, so you're very welcome to join my channel. And also, if you enjoy the video, please don't forget to leave a big thumbs up, and you can also feel free to follow me on Instagram. It's at Aloha Amy _, and there's always lots of pink content on there, and that's where I love chatting to you guys, so please do follow me if you are interested. And with all that being said, I will just go ahead and get on with the video. So my hair is just freshly washed and dried. I used a new shampoo and conditioner from Alberto Balsam, and it's the strawberry scented one, and it smells so nice. Like, my hair smells like jam and I'm loving it, so I just thought I'd let you know about that. But basically what I do first is I take my satin scrunchie. This is great because it doesn't leave kinks in your hair, and we don't want that, especially when your hair is first washed. It kinks way more easy. So basically I just flip my head upside down and then I just put my hair into a really rough ponytail. And this is instead of sectioning my hair. Because I have so much hair, I find that it just takes too long to clip into different sections. So all I do is I just put my hair into a ponytail and then I split it in two and then I curl each side, and it's just that easy. So while I'm doing this, my curling iron is heating up. So I am using this curling wand, which I got from Avon like a long time ago, like years and years ago, like 5+ years ago, I can't even remember. So it has this really quite cute print. It's quite, I think it might be like from the children's part, it's like the teen section of Avon, but I really like it. It honestly curls my hair so nice, and it's just a nice width of barrel to give me the perfect curl. So I really like it, and yeah, I just use this wee bit to hold my hair in place, and it's just super easy for me, and I've been using it for years, and I finally kind of worked out the best way to curl my hair. So what I do is I take a small-ish section. My hair is different lengths because I do have kind of layers cut into the front, so I tend to do the shorter pieces in one bundle because otherwise if bits fall out of the wand. So just take a small section about this big, and then I twist it at the bottom, clamp it down, and then just wrap my hair up. So I think I curl my hair all in the same direction because when I twist it into a bun it all fits together, so I think I must do it in the same way. But yeah, I just twist it all up, hold it, and then leave it for about like 10 to 15 seconds. Touch to see if it's warm. Be careful, you should probably wear gloves. And then I just take it out, and then what I do, and this is how I make the curls last for so long, I basically just loop the curl through my finger, twist it up, and then I take a little hair grip and twist it on top of my head. So currently it looks really weird. And when I finish my entire head, it will look even weirder. I'll look crazy for a little while, and then I'll take the curvies out and it'll look normal. So trust me, it works. This is the best way to curl your hair. But basically, by twisting my hair up into that curvy, as soon as I have let go of the curl, it just makes it set in that shape. So it makes sense when you think about it. When I was younger, I used to just curl my hair just before going out, and then it would basically just drop by the end of the night because I just curled it, and then the weight has pulled the curl down. Because it's still warm, it just goes back to being straight again. So for me, cooling the curls down in their shape has been game changing, because it just makes my hair stay literally for days. Like, until I wash my hair again, it'll still be curly. And this is just the biggest thing that I have figured out that makes my curls last. So what I will normally do is, if I want my hair to be curly, I will wash my hair the night before and then curl it before I go to bed, and then that way when I wake up in the morning I can just take my hair out of its bun and it's ready to go. I think it saves so much time. See, literally, if you're anything like me, getting ready is a little bit of a stress because you just take ages. So basically, literally, even if I'm going to work or I'm going to a big party, whatever it is, I take ages, and any kind of steps that I can take that will save me some time are perfect. So having my hair pre-done is needed, to be honest, because I just always run out of time and I'm always late to things. So it is quite good to just have this. And all I need to do is just take my hair down and brush it, and that's it. I don't even use hairspray when I curl my hair. I've actually never used hairspray. Because these curls last so long. So normally when I'm doing my hair, I will sit and curl my hair and watch some Netflix because I get a little bit bored. But yeah, that's basically what I do, and I will speed on all of this and you can see what I do. So there we go, that is one side done, and I'm going to go ahead and do the other side. Overall, I feel like this seems like it's quite time consuming, but I feel like in the long run, because it stays like this for so long, it actually saves time. So I spend maybe like 20 minutes, half an hour curling my hair, but I only do it like once, and then I've got a few days of different hairstyles. So what I'll do is maybe like on the first day I will have my hair down when my hair is just freshly washed and it's looking nice. I'll have it down and curly, and then on the third day I will just pop a little bit of dry shampoo through my roots, and then I find that that just freshens it up a little bit, and then I pop it in a ponytail and it looks really nice like that as well. So I just think that overall that's like a lot of time saved, because literally in the mornings I just get up, brush my hair or shove it in a ponytail or things like that because it's already looking nice. And I don't curl my hair like every time I wash my hair. If I have an event on, then I probably will, but I would say maybe like every second wash or I curl it. I think I do really like it curled. I just think it looks really pretty and I really like it, but sometimes I do like my hair straight as well, so yeah, I do leave it natural quite often. Just kind of depends how I'm feeling, and yeah, that's what I do. So sometimes if I'm in a little bit more of a rush, I will curl my hair with a hair straightener, and it has to be a pretty hot hair straightener, and I have figured out the exact way to do it and get a really nice curl, and I've shown it in my Victoria's Secret Angel makeup and hair tutorial, so I will link that right here. But basically I will maybe do a full video of it in the future, but I don't do it as often just because it doesn't give as big a wave. In my London vlog, that's how I'd style my hair, and I do really like it. It just looks like more of a kind of soft wave, whereas this is more of a defined ringlet curl. So I like this better, but it just kind of depends how much time I have. Comments what you call these. I call them Kirby grips, and I don't know if that's a Scottish thing or a British thing, but we've always called them Kirby grips, but I call them hair grips in my videos just because I'm not sure that everyone knows what a Kirby grip is. I know that Americans call them bobby pins, but let me know what you call them, because I don't know if Kirby grips are just a Scottish word. I'm not really sure, but they've always just been known as that. But yeah, it's a weird question of today. Yeah, I was just thinking that. Wonder what they're called. I'm aware that I look ridiculously crazy right now. I mean, this is quite a look. I remember being on FaceTime with one of my friends while I was getting ready to go out, and I was doing this with my hair, and she was getting ready as well, and she was like, Amy, are you doing an updo today? I was like, no, I'm just curling my hair. Why? This is just how I do it so that it sets nicely. And she was like, oh, thank God. I thought that that was like her hairstyle for this evening, and I was just very politely about to tell you that it was not the look for you. So yeah, I am aware that this looks ridiculous, but in order to look fabulous, I feel like I have to look a bit crazy first right now. But trust me, this makes all the difference. This is honestly what has changed my hairstyles. So once I'm looking thoroughly crazy, I leave my hair like this for as long as I can, just until I feel it and it feels nice and cool. This side already feels quite cool. Overall that took me around 30-35 minutes, so not long in the whole grand scheme of things. And yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and let this cool down, and then I will come back to you and show you the next step. Okay, so I am back, and I just went and had some lunch and watched some tennis while I let my hair set. And basically I took the curly grips out once I felt that my hair was nice and cool, and then I just twisted my hair up into a bun and tied it up with my scrunchie, and that is how I made my hair stay. And it's now cooled down in the shape. And now what I would normally do is, as I said before, I normally do this in the evenings before I go to bed. So I would normally just, with the clips in and things, just sit and watch some Netflix or something like that, and then before I go to sleep take them out and twist it into a bun. But today, obviously, since it's the middle of the day, I will take it out its bun and I will show you how my hair is looking. So obviously currently, like when you first take it out, it looks ridiculous, like it looks super duper curly. Like this looks crazy right now. Actually got, after saying that the scrunchie doesn't leave a mark in my hair, I actually must have done it too tight and I have got a little bit of a kink, so I'm going to go and get my straighteners and fix the front parts of my hair. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to brush through my hair and then section it. So I like to wear my hair to this side. Kind of twisted my straightener at the front there, and that just made my fringe sit a lot nicer and just kind of flick back the way, because it looks kind of weird if like all of my hair is curled and then just one section at the front is super straight. So I like to put a little bit of texture through it as well. And then I finally just brush through one more time, and I like to twist with my fingers, just kind of twist the hair in the same direction as the curl, and then that just kind of gathers it together a little bit. And yeah, there we go. So that is how I do my hair to get nice super sleek curls, and these are just really pretty kind of princessy Victoria's Secret type curls. I just really love having my hair like this, and like I said before, this lasts for days in my hair, and I really just love doing my hair like this because it just is such an easy style for me, and I know it works every single time now that I've got it down to a fine art. So I really hope you enjoyed seeing how I did my hair like this. I really enjoyed showing you, so let me know if you recreate this at home and how your curls last as well, and I will see you in my next video. I really appreciate everyone who watches and subscribes to my channel, so thank you and see you next time. Bye!